whispers of the evening, colors paint the sky so bright. Every breeze that gently carries holds the secrets of the night. With a heart that's ever yearning for the warmth of what we knew, I can feel the forest breathing, and it's calling up. I get colors of the wind surround me. Every branch that bends and sways, inner dance of the body is calling, inner dance of the body is calling, wrapped in a warm embrace, as the colors of the wind enfold me.